Okay, so today we're checking out some new handlebars I got for my old bike. These were about 25 bucks on Amazon, and the main reason why I got them were because of the rise. My stock handlebars are pretty flat, so whenever I rode my bike, I was hunched over a little bit, which wasn't great for my lower back. So I looked around on Amazon, found these. The price was right. I thought with the increased rise, it would help a lot as far as my back and not having to lean over so much. So if you're looking to maximize your speed and your aerodynamics, these probably aren't for you. But if you want to straighten up your posture and kind of sit up a little more upright, then you might want to give them a look. So here are the new handlebars compared to the old stock flat bars. You can see there's a pretty noticeable difference. So on the old handlebars, taking off the grips and the shifters and brakes, that wasn't a big deal. I was hoping I wouldn't have to mess with the cable length, and luckily I didn't. So after swapping out the old handlebars for the new ones, I slapped everything else back on, and this is how it turned out. So here, if you'll notice, the grips are different. These were temporary grips I used just to make sure everything was looking good before putting back the old ones. So here I am taking it for a quick test ride, and it was very noticeable as far as how my posture straightened out a bit, and I was no longer as hunched over when riding the bike. So for 25 bucks, I thought these new handlebars were a pretty good deal. I like the build quality. I think they look pretty snazzy. They definitely improved my riding comfort, and they were pretty simple to install. So I have a few other upgrades I plan for this bike, so keep an eye out for them if you're interested. I've also got a bunch of other videos I've done about bike stuff, so I'll put the playlist right here. But that's about it. So thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.